Hello, good afternoon, dear students. Today we will be doing the exercise of the first chapter. So please understand it very carefully. So please look at board. Identify the following. Now here are different figures. As you can see, four different figures are there, and your question is identify the following. Now you have to identify them, whether they are point, whether they are line segment, whether they are line or ray. Either which one is point, which one is line, which one is line segment, and which one is your ray. So students, look at very first question. You can see there is simply a dot. As I have already told you, dot simply shows an exact location which is known as point. So you have to write as point. This is your point. Now next, in the next figure you can see there is end point at one side and arrowhead on another side. I've already told you, if you see one arrowhead and one end point, it means that is your ray. Having one arrowhead is your ray. Question number C. As you can see, there are two end point, 1 2 1 2. So line segment is the part of line which has two end point. So line segment has got two end point, therefore this is your line segment. Question number D. Question number D. You can see there are two arrowhead, 1 2. Two arrowhead are there. It means this is your line which can be extended further in either side. Having two arrow simply represents line. So this is your line. So students, I hope you have understood very well. So now let's move towards next question. Let's move it. So question number 2 is your fill in the blanks. Or dot represents or dash. The arrowhead at the two ends is in a dash. A section of a line is called a dash. D number. A section of a line is called a dash. D number. The arrowheads at one end of a line We will do this question later on. So students, your question is fill in the blanks. Question number A. A dot represents a dash. As I have already told you, a dot is also known as point. So here it will be your point. Question number 2. The arrowhead at the two ends is in a dash. As I have already told you, arrowhead at two ends, it is in a line. We all know line has two arrowhead. The arrowhead at the two ends is your line. Similarly, a section of a line is called a dash. So students, as you all know, section, it means part. A part of a line is called a line segment. So let's move towards question number D. Question number D is your the arrowhead at one end of a line represents dash. So students, the arrowhead at one end represents ray. So here it will be your ray, ray. So students, hope you have understood very well. Now I will give you some homework for today, so please complete it at home. Homework. Name the following with the help of letters. So students, your question is name the following with the help of letters. Now here different figures are given here. So name the following with the help of letters. It means now you are not supposed to identify them. You are supposed to write their name with the help of letters, with the help of given letters. As you can see, there is dot and a. So in the previous question we just wrote dot as point. Now here you are not supposed to write only point. You have to write point A. For example, you have to write point. Now what is the letter here? A. So therefore you need to write point A. You are not supposed to write only point. You have to write point A. Similarly, question number B. Question number B, you have to write ray AB. Similarly, question number C. This is a line segment. Its name is M. Another is N. So therefore, you have to write line segment MN. Not only line segment. You have to write line segment MN. Similarly, D number. This is a line. There is C. Another letter. There is D. So now you are going to write line CD. In this way you have to complete your homework. Hope you all will do. So students, this much for today. In the next class we will do some other exercises. So thank you very much.